My mind is wide and aching at the core. Do we ever learn before it's too late? Why we keep falling through chaos? Should I be leaning on each other all the way? Why we keep waiting for chaos? Our time's been frozen, never too late. Ocean breeze blowing in your hair. Come to me, how do I compare? 'Cause this is our chance, the one we waited for. If you take my